Hello guys, today we are going to do Science Grade 4 Volume 1. Block 1, all about leaves. Lesson 1, parts of a leaf. Most leaves have two main parts of leaf blade, and leaf blade is also called lamina, and a leaf stalk petiole. That is a main vein midrib and some sides vein of a leaf blade. Leaf blade or lamina. It is a flat part of the leaf. It makes the surface of the leaf bigger so that more sunlight falls on the leaf for making a food contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Midrib is a border of line which protects the leaf and lamina. Lamina also contains that green substance which is called chlorophyll. Veins. They are small tubes that run from the midrib. They carry water, mineral, and food to all parts of the leaf and to other plants parts. This small thing you can see now. This small veins. This that is called veins. So thin. See here. These small things are called veins. Midrib. It is a thick line that runs along the center of the leaf. It helps to keep the leaf in upright position to keep it strong and protect it from the wind. Midrib is this line, this line, this middle line going like this. See. There means join with veins. Here. Stomata. These are the tiny pores present on the underside of leaf. These pores allow air to flow in and out of the leaf. Stomata. They are small holes or pores which presents in downside of the leaf, and it helps to flow air in and out of the leaf. Leaf stalk or petiole. It is a thin stalk that attaches the leaves of stem. It supports the leaf blade. This is the stem of the whole leaf, and this is called leaf stalk or petiole. Leaves can be of different size and shapes. They can be big or small. They can be of different colors and texture. Leaves can be with or without a petiole. In some leaves, veins are regularly spread over the entire lamina, while in others they run parallel to each other. This is a maple leaf. Let's see how it has veins, how irregularly or parallel. I think so it has parallel in straight line. Yeah, it has, see, like this. Let me show you. It is so small, but this is banana leaf, so much big, baba. And this has also parallel. This also has parallel lychee leaf, and this torment leaf I saw it many times. It is in my village. It has irregular, and this also have irregular oak leaf. And this red buck eye leaf, I think so it has irregular because it is too small. I didn't saw, but I think so it is irregular. Lesson 2: Leaves kitchen of the plant. Green plants make their own food using water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. The food is made in green leaves, and so they are called the kitchen or the food factory of plant. Leaves of green plants contain an green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the energy of sun. This energy helps the leaf in making food. The process of making food by green plants are called photosynthesis. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from surrounding air through stomata. Carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight are needed for photosynthesis. Green leaves trap sunlight. Water is absorbed by roots of the plant and carried through the stem of the leaf. Oxygen is released through stomata during photosynthesis. Oxygen and sugar is produced during photosynthesis. Leaves make food in form of simple sugar. This sugar is not that eating sugar. This sugar is a white normal sugar which comes out of the green plant. When a green plant do process of photosynthesis, we don't know when they do, but when they do, afterwards when we see the plant, there are some white small particles which are fallen down in the soil. The food is prepared by a leaf, is transported to all parts of plant through the stem. Plants use food for daily activity and for growth. Lesson 3: Test for starch in leaves. The simple sugar formed during photosynthesis is changed into a complex substance called starch. Starch is used for daily activities and for growth and development of the plant. The excess food starch is stored in different plant parts like leaves, roots, stem, food, and or seeds. We can test the presence of starch in the leaves using the iodine test. Step 1 for the iodine test. Leaf in boiling water. A green leaf is first boiled to soften it. Leaf is boiling alcohol. Then the same leaf is boiled in alcohol to break down, clarify, and make the leaf colorless. Leaf in cold water. Next, the leaf is dipped in cold water to make it soft again. Starch test with iodine solution. Finally, iodine is added to it. If the leaf turns blue-black, it has starch. The presence of starch shows the leaf has carried out photosynthesis. This whole means that first step we take if this has done means this process is done in sorry guys, this process have to done in science lab. Okay, first step, leaf in boiling water. It means that when we take out the leaf, for example, and then we go in science lab, then we put in that hot water, then we put alcohol and that same leaf to break down the clarify and make the leaf colorless. Then we'll keep the leaf in cold water to make it soft again. Then we finally put the iodine solution to see if there is starch or no starch. If there is starch, the color comes blue back. If there will be not coming starch, then we will know that this leaf have never done the photosynthesis process. And if the starch came, we have to understand that the photosynthesis process that leaf has done. Lesson first, transpiration. Transpiration is a continuous process in which leaves lose water into the surrounding air. They lose excess water in form of water vapor through the stomata as the water is lost from the leaves. More water is absorbed from the roots to make up this loss. First, we will start from here. Roots take up water from the soil. Stem. Water is drawn up the stem to the leaves. Veins carry water in the leaves. Stomata. Water evaporates from the leaf. Water vapor lost from leaf pores during transpiration. Water vapor. These are water vapor which come out from the stomata. Water travels up through the plant. Water is absorbed by the roots. In this diagram, these two sentences are there. Transpiration helps to maintain the water cycle. Through this process, plants return the water they take from the soil back to the surrounding. The water vapor added to the air help in formation of rain. Transpiration as also cool cools the plant down, so during hot summer days temperature remains low in places where there are more trees. So guys, now we will do workbook. So guys, now we are doing workbook Science Volume 1 Grade 4. One point one parts of a leaf. Label the parts of leaf using words from the box. Veins, midrib, lamina, petiole. So this whole part is called lamina. Lamina, you know. Then this middle line is called midrib. This middle line is called midrib. And these small veins, see, are called veins. And petiole means stem of the leaf. Complete the table. Parts of a leaf: lamina or leaf blade, midrib, veins, stomata. How they help the plant? First one, make the leaf bigger so to get more sunlight. Second, it keeps leaf upright and protect from the wind. Veins, they carry water, mineral and food to all parts of the leaf. Allow the air to flow in and out of the leaf. Look at the picture of mango and neem leaves and write one difference between them. Mango and neem leaf have different veins. Second, mango and neem leaf have different shape and size. 1.2 Condition of photosynthesis. Take the things required by leaves to make food for the plant. Carbon dioxide, water, of course water. Oxygen, oxygen, no, I don't think so, oxygen. Fill in flow chart to show the process by leaf make food for the plant. Chlorophyll in the green leaves traps sunlight. Leaves make food during sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen and sugar are produced during photosynthesis. Sam has gone away for summer holidays. He kept all his pot plants in a closed cupboard. What will happen to them in 10 days? Why? They will die because it will not get water, sunlight and air. 1.3 Test for starch in leaves. Which of these chemicals is used to test the presence of starch in leaves? Of course, iodine, not oil, copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. Question 2. Complete the table. Leaf. Observation during the starch test. What will you conclude? The leaf turn bluish black when iodine is added to leaf? It has starch. The leaf does not change color when iodine is added. It has no starch. Write one reason why some leaves do not have starch in them. Some leaves do not have starch as they can not make food due to absence of chlorophyll. A potato plant undergoes photosynthesis to make food. How does the potato plant use this food? The food prepared by a plant is in of sugar or glucose. This food is then taken to all the plants of the plant by the stem. B. What happens to extra food that is unused? The extra food is charged into a substance called stored. Starch is stored in leaves, roots, stem, fruit, or seeds. 1.4 Transpiration. Question 1. Which of these describes the process of transpiration? Roots take in water through soil. No. Leaves lose water to the air in form of water vapor. Yeah, it is correct. Leaves lose water to the air and form water vapor. And water vapor when the water vapor goes up in the sky, the rain falls. Question to look at the image and answer the question. A. Why are water droplets seen inside the bag that is wrapped around the branch of the plant? There are water droplets inside the polythene bag because the leaves of plants release water vapor that concealed inside the bag. Why are water droplets not seen in portion of plant without the polythene? This is because water vapor mixed with air. Write any two reasons why this process is important for plants. Transpiration is important for plants as it helps to keep the plant cool, help in morning water from the roots to the plant. How does cutting down forest impact the water cycle? Trees in forest release a large amount of water into the air through the transpiration. This helps in formation of rain. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching this video.